Hello class, this is part 3 of my Unit 1 Part 1 test review. For question number 9 on here, I have a magazine asks its readers to call in their opinion regarding the quality of the articles. And as I asked on here, I want to know what type of sampling is used in this particular example. So, based on the way that this is described, since this is a call in on their opinion, this would be a convenience sample. For the 10th one, I have the Human Resource Department at a certain company wants to conduct a survey regarding worker benefits. The department has an alphabetical list of all 5,804 employees at the company, and we want a systematic sample of size 50. So K is going to take the population size of 5,804 and divide by 50. As you could expect, that's a decimal. But when we round it down, it rounds down to be 116. Part B wants the individuals who will be administered the survey. So in this case, we're going to randomly start at 17 as our value for that we're going to start, which would be the value P. And then starting with the first number sorted, so 17, we want to find the individuals that will be surveyed and what their numbers would be. So based upon the formula that we have, this is P plus K, P plus 2K, all the way down to P plus N minus 1 times K. So with P being 17 and K 116, this is 17. 17 plus 116. 17 plus 2 times 116. And then 17 plus, this would be 50 minus 1 times 116, since N was 50. So these numbers would be 17, 133, 249, and the last one is 5,701. The next one, number 11. Suppose a survey regarding sleeping habits of students is being conducted. From a list of registered students, a researcher obtains a simple random sample of 150 students. And one question that's asked, how much sleep do you get? So the type of bias that this is a response bias, which you could tell from the question that was asked. And how do you remedy it? One way is to give a reward. Of course, another way is to rewrite the question. So actually, let me make note of that. This would be rewrite the question. So including something like average, and maybe a unit of measurement like hours would be a good way of doing that. The 12th one. Consider the following question from a recent poll, thinking about how the affirmative action issue might affect your vote for major offices. Would you vote only for a candidate who shares your views on affirmative action, or consider a candidate's position on affirmative action as just one of many important factors? And this would be rotated, right? So why is it important to rotate the two answer choices in this question? This is to reduce response bias, especially if the questions around this dealt with the same issue. You don't want to have the whole thing be positive and then negative. You kind of want to switch them up. So that is part 3 from my Unit 1 Part 1 test review. Be on the lookout for the last part, part 4. Thank you.